y'all. We are outside the house. This is what it looks like in the yard. Some of our blow-ups have fallen because of the snow, but it's taking forever for me to shoot this because my mom claims to never be done. So y'all gonna get this home decor tour today. All right, we got the lights above the garage and the bows. Your friendly neighborhood unicorn. Our cast of characters. We have Olaf. We also have a family of deer. We have a family of deer. The lights went out. That's the baby. And the mama. And the papa. And then Minnie. Minnie clocked out. Yay, Minnie standing. And of course we have her man's Mickey. Our minions have also clocked out. And you see he has a wish list in his hand. There we go. We have another minion. And then we have this projector here in the yard, which you can see is casting the snowflakes on the house. And those special lights my dad got that are actually red. All right, let's go inside. All right, of course my mom had to get Christmas theme mats as you walk right into the door and you see these decorations in the hallway. But first I'm gonna take you all to the kids' Christmas tree in the dining room. It has the traditional Christmas color theme. Their tree was more fun and whimsical. My mom just let them put the ornaments up there. And you see some of these like vintage style ornaments. I believe she got these from Cracker Barrel, but I love their tree. It's nice and it's flocked. This is just a painting my mom had that she wrapped in gift wrapping paper. And these signs that she bought, a whole bunch of them. She just decorated the wall with a little assortment of the different Christmas themed signs. And this is just a wreath wrapped around a crystal bowl, and she sprayed some faux snow up there. Giving y'all a close-up of the signs. And cardinals, that's a continued theme from the living room if you saw the Christmas decoration haul. But we're staying with the colors of red and white and green in the dining room for the kids. I also want to show you all this in the lights so you can see what's going on here. So it's like an elfish green, white, and red theme. Those feet actually kick, but it wasn't working for me. It wouldn't turn on. And like I said, my mom just wrapped this picture in gift wrapping paper, which I think is the most genius decorating hack. Now, these banister wreath decorations, I actually got this idea from Nitra B. I didn't want to show my mom because I knew she was going to buy them, but my mom actually got hers from Target, and then she got these little berries to clip on to the wreaths. And then my mom put a wreath inside this little decorative thing and made her own bow just to add some more lights and decoration. And here's what it looks like with the lights out. And those wreaths on the banister are actually battery operated, and they're also flocked. We love flocking. And this is the living room vibes, giving you warm and cozy. And our tree with the different colored lights, they change from white to multicolored. And in the living room, it's a red, black, and white theme. And we have our fireplace that wasn't here last time. And my mom put this wreath around the door with a few ornaments and the mistletoe, which I love the vibes that it gives at night. And then here's what it looks like with the lights on. My mom is actually keeping all of the decorations plugged up all night long. That's her thing. This is something that wasn't in the Christmas decor haul. I don't even know where my mom got this from. But hey, she's decorating as much of the main floor as possible. And like I told y'all, my mom got covers for the chairs in the corners, covers for the pillow, and this nice little throw. So those chairs are actually teal and blue, but she got black covers off of Amazon. Just give me a little close-up of our decorations. This tree came out really nice. I love my mom's mesh bow and how the ribbon drapes down. And my dad found this ornament, a 2020 Santa with all your quarantine pandemic essentials. And he black. We will always commemorate this Christmas. And all the decorations in here again are red, black, and white. And each family in the house got a black Santa ornament to take with them when we leave. And this is the Nutcracker. Counting down days till Christmas. We're almost there. I cannot believe it. But this is the mantle of the fireplace. Just a few little tchotchkes. And of course we got the tall black Santa in the corner. And again, this magnificent idea of wrapping your pictures with wrapping paper to match your holiday decor. I love it. I'm here for it. This is the most genius thing my mom came up with. And of course she had to buy a matching rug. She got this off of Amazon as well. This is the red throw on the couch to match our holiday pillows. Give me nice, warm, and cozy vibes with the matching curtains as well. Then my mom has this pendant banner that says Merry and Bright. Just hung that over another painting that she wrapped with wrapping paper. And onto the dining room. We have chair covers. This is the eat-in kitchen actually. Chair covers to match the decor. My mom went all out this year. And then the runner, of course, to match the black and white. And this is actually a tree topper, but we're using this as table decorations on the little turnstile. And my mom even put some garland on top of the lights over the table. And you see that the curtains continued on to the eat-in kitchen as well. And then this is the little buffet coffee bar area. I believe my mom got these little tchotchkes decorations from Target. She decorated her little K-pod holders with the ribbon to match and some berries. Hung up a sign over there. And of course we have our traditional holiday bowl of pecans, mints, and we also have some oranges in there. And those are going to be our plates for when we eat dinner. My mom bought these red napkins, and I actually decorated them with some Christmas words using my Cricut. And this is just the view of the kids tree from the kitchen. I just think it looks so cool with the red lights. And here are our stockings. My mom hadn't hung them up yet, but I also printed out everyone's name with my Cricut, and even the dogs have stockings. So we have 12 stockings, and when I was leaving, my mom actually hung them up on the island in the kitchen. But that is it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas decor tour. But before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. I'll be sure to see you in the next one, beauties. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Merry Christmas, everybody.